Hey guys, it's Angela here again at the chicken coop, and today is the day to do the worst job on your homestead, cleaning out that chicken coop. It's just a beautiful day here. It's cool and crisp, and I want to get this job done. My husband is inside. He'll be out here in a little bit, but we're going to go inside. You'll get to get a close-up view of my chicken coop that he and my son built me, I guess last year, and you'll get to see it. We cleaned this out right before summer. Now, our chicken coop has a lot of ventilation. We live in Texas, so our chickens have to have a lot of ventilation because it's so hot here. So there's no bad smell or anything like that. There is going to be a lot of poop, but there's no bad smell. I have baby chicks over here in a different little pen that we have, and their poop stinks way more than this poop stinks. I don't know what it is about baby chicks. We're going to get in here and get this chicken coop cleaned out. I'm going to start taking out some of the stuff. We have a little area right in the front of our coop that is like a little storage area where we store our feed and our chicken supplies for like when we raise baby chicks. I'm going to pull all that out because when we clean out the hen house of poop, we also get a power washer and power wash everything down. So let me get this out of here, and then my husband will come around and we'll get going. So stay tuned. So the way my husband designed this is we have like a little panel that he takes off when we're ready to clean out the chicken coop. He may put a hinge on there or it'll just flop up. And then the bucket of it, he'll set up the tractor where the bucket of the tractor is right at the level, and we just scoop the poop out into the bucket of the tractor. He normally doesn't have an instrument on here, but it's not the bush hog, so he thought he could do it since that's just the disc. Still have enough room. So it's taking him a little while to get positioned. Our roost, something my husband picked up at one of our local stores. They had it out behind the store, like they were getting rid of it, and he went and asked them, and it's what you actually hang hanging baskets from, and so he thought it would make a good roost. So the only bad thing about it is it's a little cumbersome when you're cleaning it, but you know, we just work with it. We roll it kind of one way off to the side and get as much clean on one side, then we move it, roll it the other way, and then clean the rest of the coop. And you can see, I hope you can see, there's just a small thin layer on the rest of the coop. It's just where they roost that has the big built up layer. It's not real deep at all, just except where this is their favorite spot that they roost. So it looks like a lot, but it's really not.
Oh yeah. One of our funnest tasks on the homestead.
What I've already told you. The most fun task on the homestead, cleaning out the kitchen. Yay!
Life on the farm isn't always fun.
But look at the great compost I'm going to have.
Yeah.
That's what I see. When I see chicken poop, I think compost. Great compost. That's exactly what I'm thinking. Ooh, that's going to make great compost. I'm always about my compost. Right, lad?
Yeah, the compost queen.
I am the compost queen. But I don't make it difficult and hard. I just let Mother Nature do its course. I don't try to overthink it. All right, so we always try to get the heaviest part out of underneath the roost into the tractor, and then we kind of, because it's heavy, and so then we switch to wheelbarrows, and they're a lot lighter load, this stuff that's kind of on the fridge. We're gonna go empty the tractor, and we'll be back. So that's my compost pile. It's a easy compost method. I have a video on that. I'll try to link it up here so y'all can see my compost method. It talks a little bit more about how I do it, but it's the easiest composting method known to man. Y'all can see my husband kind of stirred up and pushed up the compost, got it all mixed together. This is the compost that I'm going to use to amend my beds, getting them ready for spring. I do that usually here in fall because it's cooler weather, it's nice weather. I get them all ready so that when springtime comes, I don't have to work on getting my garden ready. I can work on getting my plants and seedlings started, that kind of thing. That is some jet black, rich soil. So I'm telling y'all, it's as easy as that. I know I have chicken manure and a lot of people don't have chicken manure, but you could buy chicken manure, you can buy rabbit manure, you can buy all sorts of things to compost, and then, you know, just compost your leaves. Your leaves will look like that too, I promise you. Back to the chicken coop, back to the dirty work.
Together here. They might just stay together. Stay together.
He's doing it. Like he's trying to lay something over there.
Yeah.
So Lad's gonna kind of open the door so I can do the filming. We've got it all cleaned inside and out. We're working on cleaning up some of the stuff we store in there. Try to not be too jiggly. So this is like our little feed room. And I've kind of...
This one still needs a little cleaning, but it's not bad.
Move your hand, honey. That's the laying room.
That's our grocery store.
This is where we put our feed. We have feed in trash cans. So this is kind of like our little storage area. And then this is a little door that we open up in here. And there's their water. They have constant fresh water. We've got one in here just to checking everything out. We tried to do a little different. We took those top braces off, and Lad kind of, he's gave it a little bit more support, and we turned it around the opposite direction where we had a little bit more room to work in here. It's all nice and clean. Looks 100% better. There's our little laying area. There's chicken wire all around the bottom, so there's ventilation all around the bottom. There's ventilation, cross ventilation across the tops. This is a greenhouse roof, so it gives them a lot of sunlight, especially in the winter, and it keeps them laying longer. They go a long time laying. We're going to put some shavings down in here. Like I say, there's our water that we have. We have a little 30-gallon feeder that my husband came up with. He created that water, so he's very ingenious. We have a little guillotine door there that opens from outside the feed room. See, there you go. You don't even have to come in here. And so really, we don't have to come into this room very often except just to clean it out and then add feed to the feeder. That's really about it. The water is all the time. And then we're going to put the little door back up on that end, and this will be clean and ready for winter. How you like it? Is it okay? Did we do a good job? Does it meet your approval? Thank y'all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.